dirt bike.
Yep. This is our fourth spot. Yeah, the bird has 150,000 miles on motorcycle. And her favorite food is hot wings.
I like this bird already.
She's gonna, sometimes she eats the skin, sometimes she eats the meat, but she always breaks the bones open and eats the marrow out of the bones. She doesn't care what the sauce is. She's not real fond of teriyaki, but she will eat them.
That's your song, Sabrina. Come on.
Dance.
Dance, dance.
Dance, bird,
Dance,
dance.
dance, dance, dance.
Sabrina, will you dance?
Dun, 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 dun.
Will you dance?
Showing your keys?
She used to pick out the Harley kids. Now she rides a duck, so she doesn't have to choose.
Yeah. Roll over. Roll over.
It wasn't me, officer. It was the bird.
She's the designated driver.
If you ain't gonna ride a Harley, you gotta ride a Duffy.
Now, I'll ride anything. I'm off.
Something awesome's about to go down.
What? You fix it where she can hit it. Well, y'all keep putting stuff in the way. Like, I didn't put anything in the way. Nothing's been put up there.
I know.
And they got a machine that pulls that out.
You can get cut.
There's no way. Because
Give her the kick.